They just came from out their crib. Bro, just... I damn near grabbed my winter one. Zip up one. Bro, I'm just worried about the cops. Everything, bro. I'm worried about the cops, this trap house on the fucking corner, bro. Yeah. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Cut that shit off, bro. The cop. Get down. That's cops. Let's go over here. Oh my god, we're fucked, bro. We're fucked, bro. What? Yeah. I got gloves in my hands. I got gloves.
Stop right there. Stop. Keep your hands up. What are you doing?
We literally just pulled up. You can check me on my bag.
What are you doing?
We were literally going back there. We just walked up to that wall, and then y'all just pulled up. But we were gonna go take a video back there with my GoPro. Yeah, no, I'm a fucking YouTuber.
Oh, okay.
You can take that off.
What's your YouTube name?
Bando.
You good, bro. If that's all you're doing, because this area...
Yeah, I'm kind of sketched. Is that a fucking trap over there, bro?
What you doing over here?
Bro, I be fucking exploring Detroit, bro.
Where you from?
I'm up north more, but my ID up in First Pocket.
Yeah, y'all don't know where y'all at.
I know.
Over here got switches. You know what a switch is?
I know what a switch is on the back of the fucking gun, bro. That house over there on the corner looking sussy, boy.
Y'all can get carjacked.
That's what yeah.
There's a lot of prostitution and drugs and killings over here. It's a bad area over here.
Yeah, bro. And I don't know. This shit over here is just spook, bro.
Drugs, prostitution.
Yeah. But yeah, no. I come out here. I trying to film, bro.
It ain't safe out here, bro. I know you.
He was just talking about switches and shit.
What's your YouTube
Bando.
Okay. Well, I think Bando need to stay up north.
Yeah. Bro, I've been doing, bro, like this shit, bro. I don't know. I got you, man. Bando, huh? Who car is it? It's his. Well, it might be in his dad's name. Yeah, he already got my wallet and everything.
Yes, stay right here from here.
I got you.
Yeah, man, y'all in a bad area right now. You already got his ID? Yeah, I've got it already. So YouTube out to the city or where else?
Just all through the city. I've been to Gary before.
Yeah, we went to Gary.
But I'm from here. I've been around the city since I was like 13.
Okay.
I'm like running around here, just taking pictures.
So y'all just go like where the towers are?
Huh?
All different stuff.
I've been to literally, I ain't been to no towers. I'm scared as shit. The original plan was to climb that motherfucker, if I'm being honest with you. And I'm trying to get past my fear. And as like a real job, I kind of want to do that shit. And
they get paid $100K a year to go change a light bulb.
Yeah. But I was about to go, not this one. It's another one over there. That's smaller. But that was the original plan. But I don't know, y'all talking about switchies and fucking shit like that.
You ever heard of Shot Spotter? We get Shot Spotter runs over here all the time.
I mean, it is a decrepit, like, it's wooded, bro. Like, honestly tick check after walking through that shit because you ain't never know, man.
Y'all be safe.
Huh?
Y'all be safe. Y'all have a good day.
For sure, man. Do you have my wallet?
I ain't touch your wallet. It's in your pocket.
I don't have it.
It's in your pocket.
Bro, I don't have it.
Take it back.
Check your bag. Your wallet was in your bag. That's what it was.
Oh, no, I appreciate you. I'm sorry, bro. Appreciate you. Thank you. Y'all have a good one. Stay safe out here. All right, bro? Well, let's go back to the crib.